Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Latief and today I'm super excited to share with you a simple yet delicious food review. We'll be checking out the fried chicken from Dynasty Chicken, a popular spot in Manisi Street, Bandung, where you can enjoy tasty fried chicken for only 8,000 rupiahs per piece. Let's head over there and see what it's all about. Let's go! This is Dynasty Fried Chicken, a small and cozy spot known for its affordable and flavorful fried chicken. Whether you're in the mood for wings, drumsticks, or thighs, they've got it all at the same price. What makes this place stand out is the variety of sauces they offer. You've got spicy sambal, hot sauce, black peppers, and even cheese sauce. For today, I choose their signature cheese sauce. Let's take it home and give it a try. Now that we've got the fried chicken, let's dig in. First impressions, the golden brown crust looks absolutely crispy and the cheese sauce smells amazing. Wow, the chicken is perfectly cooked, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The cheese sauce adds just the right amount of the heat without overpowering the flavor of the chicken. For only 8,000 rupiah, it is a steal. To pair with the fried chicken, I tried a cappuccino from Miko. I couldn't film it, sorry guys, because I don't have permissions. It is worth mentioning. It's creamy, smooth, and perfectly complements of the chicken. If you are a coffee lover, it is a great choice. That's it for today's food review. Dynasty Chicken is a fantastic option for anyone looking for affordable and delicious fried chicken. And pairing it with a cappuccino from mocha is a match made in heaven. I definitely recommend trying it out if you are ever in Bandung. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Dah.